How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profit with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT. You can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customers' queries, or even writing code. So first of all, hey guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you step by step how you can make money prompting using ChatGPT. So the first step, I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So don't worry, we are not going to be designing any t-shirts. I will show you. So of course, ChatGPT is going to provide us these prompts that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So first we have here, give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML to generate a batch of some images. Give me some good prompts for images if I'm going to be using the images as t-shirts design. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designs. We have the first one, it's Cheryl natural scene. We have abstract geometric shapes, vintage retro wave, space exploration, tribal and cultural fusion. We have also animal kingdom mashup, floral and skull fusion. We have a minimalist line art, fantasy warrior, psychedelic, fractal patterns. So you can just copy the one you want, then you paste it on Runwell. So this is Runwell. I will explain you what is Runwell later. So let's choose this one, for example, this one to run control, and we will copy it. Then firstly I will introduce you to another one which is called Leonardo. So this is leonardo.ea. We have here various information about it. So Leonardo is a free tool, anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you can start creating these images from the prompts. So you click over here and you write your email address and your password, then you get started with leonardo.ea. So if we scroll down, we have also some information about Leonardo. As you can see, you can just scroll down. We have here for creators, for teams, for developers. We have also here with Leonardo today for, and we have here on Vision the extraordinary. We have other things you can just read it to more understand about Leonardo before getting started. So you click over here and you write your email, and this is the homepage how it looks with Leonardo. So right now all I have to do is click over image creation, then you paste what you already copy on ChatGPT, as you can see. Then we have here some settings. For example, we have here prompt NS. You can choose automatic, on or off. Then we have process style, 3D render. We have bulky, cinematic concept, creative, dynamic, fashion, graphic design, pop art, graphic design vector. We have HDR, illustration, macro, portrait. We have ray traced, sketch, BMW. We have sketch color, and we have here stock photo, vibrant, and other things. You can choose the one you want. Then we have here contrast. We have low, medium, high. So of course we choose high. We have generation mode. We have fast and quality. Then we have image dimensions. We have small, medium, large. Then we have number of images, 1 2 3 4, and the max it's 8, as you can see. Then we have private mode. You can switch on and get started with it. So sorry. Then if we have a different settings also, like negative prompt, photoreal, transparency, talent, use fixed seed, and other things. Then you click over generate and you will find it. So you have got these credits, alright, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 110 of these credits. Here we have 110, and they will generate every 24 hours. You get around 150 of this each 24 hours, so you can just here use them. So here is my thing, here's my graffiti, and you can see it looks really nice here, as you can see. Now, as you can see, it's bad with words. Alright, don't try to write something on the screen with EA image generators, just don't. But like this, I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompt, click on generate one more, and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirt designs. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. I found numerous shop on Etsy, here on Etsy, that they have over than 25,000 sales, as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mags, for fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just get these pictures and they just throw over those to the teacher to make to cap whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come in. We make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runaway. So now, why Runaway? Runaway can make 100 of this, but the downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started here and create an account and get started with it, it's paid too, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use it this one whenever you get some cash for reinvesting. So one of the most things to make money using ChatGPT draw prompts starts by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks such as content creation, customer support, automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to businesses, sell prompt packages, or use the prompts yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapts to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is how it works with ChatGPT, and start prompting use it. Also, Leonardo is for free, and we have Runaway. You have to pay for it. Then you can sell this one on Etsy, or you can use also Fiverr. It's very helpful about those things. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.